The Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services have announced new, stricter proof requirements for a Marketplace Special Enrollment Period. Effective May 16, 2025, a consumer may need to prove they lost minimum essential health coverage before they can move forward with the Marketplace Plan Special Enrollment Period opportunity. It's being called the pre-enrollment verification for a Marketplace loss of minimum essential coverage Special Enrollment Period. The Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services say the extra step will be necessary if a consumer attests to have experienced a loss of minimum essential coverage, becomes eligible for a special enrollment period, but the federal system is unable to automatically verify this loss of coverage. Then the consumer will need to provide proof or documentation confirming the loss of that coverage before they can use their Marketplace plan. Consumers will have only 30 days to submit acceptable documentation to resolve the special enrollment verification issue. If not resolved in the 30-day period, the consumer will not be able to use their health coverage. CMS gives some helpful tips to consumers to know, first of all, which documents would be appropriate to submit as proof. And we list a couple examples on the screen, like a letter from an insurance company or an employer. How to upload or mail those documents, and we give the link to each of those processes in the description below, and then additional resources to learn more about the proof requirements. And again, we link to that resource in the description below as well. The change is consistent with other proposed changes still yet to be implemented. You'll recall it was back in March that CMS released a proposed rule that would make a number of changes to the Affordable Care Act. It was called the CMS 2025 Marketplace Integrity and Affordability Proposed Rule. The rule has not yet taken effect. It hasn't yet been finalized. But in addition to proposing a number of changes to things like open enrollment and eligibility criteria, the proposed rule also creates additional pre-enrollment verification for special enrollment period opportunities. You can read more about this change. We link to resources in the description below.